Hey everyone! So today I'm going to be talking just a little bit about extrusive igneous rocks and their textures. So first I just want to mention a little bit about their formation. Extrusive igneous rocks are formed when lava cools and solidifies above Earth's surface. These different rock bodies are formed when lava is extruded or violently erupted onto Earth's surface. As you can see in that top picture there is a violent eruption. This commonly results in the formation of pyroclastic and tuff, which then falls back down onto the surface as it is erupted, and this usually consists of volcanic ash and small rock fragments. Some examples are volcanic cones, lava flows, and pyroclastic deposits. And this bottom picture here just shows some solidified lava. Next is the rate of cooling. Extrusive igneous rocks cool very quickly because when they're exposed to the low pressures and temperatures at Earth's surface, they cool much quicker. They often contain very tiny crystals that we cannot see with the unaided eye, and the faster the cooling rate means that there are smaller crystals that form. So down here at the bottom is a picture of basalt at a microscopic view. It shows the tiny little crystals that we cannot see without a microscope. And over here on the right side is just some examples of some extrusive igneous rocks. Next we have the different rock textures. The texture is a description of the size, shape, and arrangement of the crystals, and the texture of igneous rocks is controlled by its cooling rate. So if it cools slowly, it has larger crystals that forms, and if it cools quickly, it has smaller crystals that form. The igneous rock basic textures are phaneritic, aphanitic, pegmatitic, and porphyritic. And some other textures are glassy, vesicular, and pyroclastic. And down here in this picture, we have just the different type of textures that are shown and what they look like. Next, we have the color index of the igneous rocks. The primary igneous rock minerals are divided into different groups. They are called the color index based upon their shade and their color. The color of mineral is based upon its chemical composition. And down here in this photo, you can see that the extrusive rocks, rhyolite, andesite, basalt, and comatite all are underneath different colors depending on their shade. So rhyolite is under felsic because it is a lighter color. Andesite is intermediate because it's kind of in between. Basalt is mafic because it's slowly getting darker. And then comatite is ultramafic because it is the darkest of all of them. Some different examples of extrusive igneous rocks are basalt, andesite, rhyolite, and obsidian. And in these pictures here, it just shows some examples. Rhyolite is that lighter one there at the top, along with andesite, obsidian, which is the darkest of all of them, and basalt, which is the most common extrusive igneous rock. And I hope y'all were able to learn a little bit of this, and good luck with your exam.